Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So let's make some granola with our air fryer. I have a video of how to make granola with your oven or how to make with your stove, how to make granola on the stove. So today we are using air fryer to make this. We have all three methods, so you can use or choose any one you prefer. So let's get started. Here are all the ingredients I'll be using. The chief ingredient here is oats. You can use rolled oats or cooking oats, any type you have in your house. Then I have some dates which are deseeded and cut into pieces, some raisins, coconut chips, salt, vegetable oil, golden melon seed, honey. I also have some almond nuts, cashew nuts, and cinnamon powder. You can add any other ingredients, any other dry fruits or nuts that you want or that you have. These are the ones I have available. It's not hard. What we're going to do is to mix all this together. So here I have the oats. I'll add oats into my mixing bowl. I'm using 3 cups of rolled oats. I'm not going to be adding this raisins. I'm not adding it now, so I'll set it aside. With my coconut flakes, this is homemade too, so I'll set that too aside. Then I'll add all the rest together. I'll add salt, the cinnamon powder. Let's see, it looks fatty. The cinnamon powder. I'll add the dates. This is optional, but I just needed more things to eat, and it also adds the sweetness to it. I'll add my cashew nuts. I'm using half cup of all these other ingredients, half cup of cashew nuts, half cup of almond nuts. If you have up to 1 full cup, you can use. This is very expensive, so we are managing it. I added half cup of the dates too, and then this is not up to half cup. This is half of a half cup. I mix these dry ingredients first before adding the wet ingredients. You know, for this you can use any dry fruit of your choice or dry nuts. There are so many nuts, or what do you call that, seeds. You can use any nut or seed of your choice. So these are the few I have at home, the few I normally use anyway. I don't have access to the other nuts. You can also use a granite, like peanut. You can also use that. So after mixing that, I will now add my vegetable oil. Use any oil of your choice. I'm using quarter cup of the vegetable oil and honey. So after mixing it, I'll now add it to my air fryer basket. So I have my air fryer here with my air fryer. So I'm going to pour it here. I'm going to be dividing this into two. My air fryer is not that big, so I'll be making this into two. I'll be dividing it into two. That's making it 2 times. So I'll put half now. I remember half to do later. to use it. Then I set it at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I checked it, stirred it around, left it again for another 10 minutes, and our granola is ready. That's the first batch is ready. To this first batch, I added a little bit of the raisins and the coconut chips to it. I'll stir it, then go ahead to air fry the second batch. And after about 20 minutes, the second batch is ready too. I'll go ahead and add the remaining coconut chips and the raisins. Then mix everything together. Here we have our homemade air fried granola. Allow it to cool down and then store in your airtight container and use anytime you wish to. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.